Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to play for you Beethoven's Elise, Albumblatt. And I'm going to keep it slow with the metronome because the piece is in 3/8 time, but it's got all kinds of different rhythmic motifs in it. So there are 2/16ths, there are 4/32, there are 3/16 triplet notes, and it all has to fit to the tempo you've chosen. And yes, you'll bend and pull it back at places and then move back to the tempo and so on. But in order to keep it classical the way this music is, it's not Chopin, it's not romantic music, it's Beethoven. You can be romantic a little bit in it, and do it that more with your tone. Try to let the tone float. Don't think of digging into the bottom of the keys when you sink in, because you want to feel the mechanics of the piano and feel it pushing back at you as you're sinking in, and you'll get a much more floating tone and color as you brush the key and take the tone out of the instrument. So I'll give it a try and see how we make out. If I stop in places, it's just because I've tried this so many times already to do it right, and when I'm goof, I just stop and start over again, but it's getting late now, and I'm tired. So I'll try. We'll give it our best shot. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I hope that gives you an idea of how the parts relate to each other, one to the other. It has to have that steady underlying bass of the pulse of 3/8 per bar. Anyway, it's a fun piece to work on. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good night. Bye-bye.